Meanwhile, rehabilitation of the Angat Dam in Bulacan will soon be go full blast. Noel Perfecto with the details.
Governor Wilhelmino C. Alvarado of Bulacan announced to the Bulacanos that the rehabilitation of Angat Dam will finally push through. In an interview, he said that there are no more hindrance to the measures to be done for the fixing of cracks found by experts on some parts of the dam.
Siguradong ito'y makabibigay ng malaking benepisyo sa ating mga kalalawigan. Mura ang tubig at hindi na tayo kukuha sa underground source, at yung ating tunay na tubig ay pakikinabangan natin sa panahong ito. Yung Tiros Marble na nakumpiska ng panahon ng nakarang administrasyon sa Biak na Bato, ipinagkakaloob ngayon sa ating lalawigan.
It was President Aquino himself who ordered for the billion-peso fund for fixing and rehabilitation of the ancient dam. The Angat Dam is a source of potable water in the Metro Manila areas and the nearby provinces such as Bulacan, and it is necessary for it to be rehabilitated as soon as possible.
Apakarami ngayong mga mangyayari sa lalawigan ng Bulacan. Yung inaasahan nating pagpapatibay ng Angat Dam, inaprubahan na ito ng ating Pangulo. Yung replacement ng Busos Dam, aprobado na rin at sa Hunyo ibibiding na ito. Ang ating Bulacan Bulk Water Rights, binibiding na ngayon ng MWSS sa ilalim ni Administrator Jerry Esquivel.
Aside from the rehabilitation of the Angat Dam, there are more projects in the province that are scheduled in accordance to the program of the Aquino government. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.